If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so friends to the face, I hear the voice, so you don't know say a KOGENCY, but the KOGENCY reacts channel. And today, we have grilling episode 9 with Likkleman, 10 years in and out of prison to overnight fame. I didn't even know Likkleman was 10 years in and out of prison. I didn't know Likkleman was like, yeah, so yo, I saw you guys asking for the Castillo one, so I just didn't watch it for a while, so I'm going to watch it after this one. But I saw that they uploaded this one 2 days ago with Likkleman. I'm like, if you don't know Likkleman, bro, how can I describe this? Likkleman is a Likkleman. I don't like, it's a, what you call those? Because they say you can't say midget in 2021 because you'll get cancelled. So I cancel the M word. He's a vertically challenged person. You know what I'm saying? It's very funny. I'm just going to get into it, man. You're going to see, man. You're going to see. But, yo, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, can reply to all the comments. And you know me, man. I give you guys a whole heap of different reactions on the channel. So, yeah, let's jump into it, man. Gang.
What's your body count?
Whoa. 300. I'm 27, man. I was shagging when I was 13.
Whoa. He said 300.
What's your body count?
300. I'm 27, man. I was shagging when I was 13.
300. Fam, there's no way Likkleman has a body count of triple digits, bro. What? And nah, bro. That means I ain't got the sauce like that, fam.
DMs, dating apps, I don't have time for that. I don't believe you should.
Just back her up and put her in there.
As in, like, we've watched the intro already.
My name's Liam Henry, and I'm here to look for a beautiful wife. Because I'll just back her up and put her in her place. What you mean? I've never been on a first date, like, go sit down.
Fam, that's the thing, you know, because Likkleman is a Likkleman, but he's serious, you know. He's a serious guy, but he run joke at the same time, so you're not even sure, bro. But what I would say is, would you make Likkleman body up? Like, would you, like, you know what I'm saying, would you actually take him serious? Or would you just laugh at him, bro? Cause I'm not sure what I would do, fam. I'll probably run away, bro. No cap.
Because I'll just back her up and put her in her place. What you mean? I've never been on a first date, like, go sit down and boom, bang, and talk about certain things. I just go straight to the scene. It's a mad thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, you see how I fight. Yeah? You know I'm ready.
Oh, yeah, I watched the boxing match, dog. You see, bro, the man even has celebrity boxing. If you don't know about Likkleman, where have you been, bro?
Guys, out today, she's doing your podcast.
Come on, baby girl.
Let's go. Oi, she's looking. No, wait a minute. Gee, look at the hair. Look at the, what you call that? Like a one piece shirt and pants in a one, and the heels and the it's not a music video, bro, so we can appreciate the sweet ones outside of it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, not gonna lie, this is her best outfit so far. Not gonna lie, man, she's looking very double S. Super. Hey, that one diva higher than a coach, blood. Bro, bun this ad thing, man. Oh my god. As in, like, RP to that elephant, bro, but I need to get an ad block on this shit, man.
Hi.
What's that beautiful, you okay?
I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
My name's Aidan Henry.
Oh, she just, hi. If she talked to me like that, bro, I might have to risk it all, bro. No cap.
Hi.
What's that beautiful, you okay?
I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
My name's Aidan Henry. How are you?
Aidan
Cheyenne.
Henry.
Cheyenne,
Nice to meet you.
Painting. Oh my.
The man is on top of the table, bro.
My name's Aidan Henry. How are you?
Cheyenne.
Look at the
Cheyenne.
Nice to meet you.
Painting. Oh my god.
Oh my
I'm
god.
shy now, still, like, gonna lie.
You shy?
A little bit.
No,
A
I don't need to be
little
shy. Wasn't expecting him to be shy, you know.
Why is he
Today
shy,
I'm
man?
going to be rating you out of 10
Yeah.
on how good the date goes. Because I just kind of find, like, men just waste my time, tell lies, sell the dream. I'm looking for a real man.
I'm definitely a man.
Yeah?
I've been a man from a young age.
What makes you a man from a young age?
Responsibilities, like, know right from wrong. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Emotional intelligence. So where are you from?
I'm originally from Rugby. But
Dog, that's it. Alright, you see that hat on his head? That's why I fixed my hat. But the bucket hat, bro, I'd never even know say Gucci make bucket hats, bro. Like how, like if it don't even look real, bro. Like Gucci, why you making bucket hat? Is this even Gucci? That's how you know, bro. I don't even know about any designer shit, bro. What is this? What brand is this? But anyway, bro, let's continue.
moved to Coventry because I was on a mad case. But I've been there ever since.
What do you do?
Professional boxer.
Your arms are nice and ripped. Do you feel like a big man because you fight for a living?
I'm a big man just in general. I can stand my ground, I don't fear nothing.
Congratulations on your victory, by the way.
Thank you very
So
much.
should we go cheers?
Of course. Cheers to the next one, 19th of December. Hopefully I see you there.
Yo, you
yeah?
realize the man drinking the Maggie and not the wine? Fun man say, nah, man, no wine thing, man. Maggie, the Magnum tonic wine. Yeah, not no red wine, B.
Maybe,
So
if the day goes well.
Her breasts are sitting amazing, Jesus.
Cheers to the next one, 19th of December. Hopefully I see you there, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe, if the day goes well,
Yeah.
you might see me there. So I like that confident energy you got there. Can you bring it to me?
Forget about the day, we'll see what happens.
What will happen?
You tell me if I'm confident.
What do you do for fun?
Obviously, I like riding motorbikes, fast cars.
So you're wild then?
Yeah.
You're wild in the
crazy.
bedroom?
Of course, you're mad.
Yeah.
He must have
Somebody
called, so
think
he
I'm
mad.
Is
Fam,
it?
look at the veins in his arms, bro. That he might actually win in an arm wrestle, no cap. Look at his arms, bro.
Yeah.
You're wild in the
crazy.
bedroom?
Of course, you're mad.
What,
Yeah.
What the
You know,
fuck?
somebody think strong, you know.
Is it?
My
What?
dick chang it up.
Really?
3 legs.
Free
So for a
legs.
little guy, you got big dick energy, yeah?
All right.
Okay.
Why do you think I got so much confidence? Because no girl can say nothing to me. Yeah.
Looking
I'm
quite
confident.
shy.
Yeah, I'm shy because you're a beautiful, attractive woman and you try to stick it on me and I'm just like, oh.
Listen, when you sit in that hot
alright,
seat, you have
yeah. Alright, he handled that pretty well. You know what I'm saying? They let her know, man. I'm just a little, you know what I'm saying? Because you're just a sweet one, babes. Bro, from me, I saw her today, bro. She's looking different, bro. She don't usually dress like this. She usually cover up, ain't showing too much of the ray and the ray. But today, she's like, bro, she brought it out for Likkleman, fam. She brought it out for Likkleman.
Because you're a beautiful, attractive woman and you try to stick it on me and I'm just like, oh.
Listen, when you sit in that hot seat, you have to take a grilling. Can't be going shy on me. So, would you say you're romantic?
Why is this girl asking me so much mad questions? She's sticking it on me like, yo, it's crazy.
Have you got anyone on the go at the
crazy.
moment?
Trailer load.
Sorry.
Trailer
A
load.
trailer load means
Trailer
a whole
load,
heap of girls.
So you're dating multiple women?
No, I'm not dating a lot of women.
So you're having sex with multiple women?
I'm not in a relationship.
I just want to know
I'm
how you
single.
move though. Listen, you're single. You
Yeah,
can do.
but if I liked you, I'll lock off everything.
Would you do that if you like
Of
a
course I would.
woman?
Yeah, of course I would. I want to do
Yeah,
that.
of course I would.
Have you ever cheated?
Yeah, once. And I was
Once.
when I was young, I've been cheating on myself, so I won't do it again because it's not nice. It's not a nice feeling. You know what I'm saying?
No,
Yeah, it's
that's
not
nice.
You live and you learn, innit?
I like
I
that.
learn from my mistakes.
When was the
Yeah.
last time you had sex?
Fam, I can't imagine Likkleman cheating on a female, bro. Can you? No, really and truly, let's think about this, bro. Imagine Likkleman is with a girl and she's like our height, regular height, bro, and Likkleman is out there cheating, bro, with more. Bro, suppose him cheat on her with the next midget, bro. Like, I don't give a fuck if I get cancer for saying the M word. Suppose he was out there cheating with another midget and she came home and saw the two of them having midget sex in a regular house. Nah, bro, them would have to get a midget beaten. I swear. Nah, man. Bro, imagine that, bro. You're with a short person and the person has the audacity to be out there just swinging it. Nah, that's mad, fam. That's mad. People die for things like that, bro. No cap.
2 days ago.
Do you have sex a lot? You do, didn't you?
Yeah, got too much energy, man. You know me, I press gas, man. Stallion.
Here the man.
Is it like with the same person, or do you just have different girl for a different day of the week?
I said,
You
no,
sure?
no.
Depends on it.
Depends on.
You see, once they don't answer the question immediately, just no. They're trying to figure out the answer in their head, bro. No cap. You're trying to figure out what to say right now.
The week. You sure?
It depends on it.
Depends on.
How I feel.
How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling very shy.
That's right. I don't bite though.
No, I'm not scared.
You sure?
You're just attractive in it and you're sticking up, but like, you should be talking like this.
I'm not gonna lie. I thought he was gonna come out and be a bit just like cocksure, but he seems really humble. So do you want a submissive woman that asks nothing?
No.
Just sits there.
Nah.
No, that's lame, man.
How tall are you? Do you mind me
4'5".
Do you find it hard to get women? Because I know us women can be shallow.
No, because I got confidence in it. But you know me, I'm usually the person that sticks it on them, innit? But you're sticking it at me now, so I'm in my little shell like. What am I gonna do?
Go on. Why don't you stick it on me then? I'll stay quiet. Stick it on me.
You
I thought you were confident.
It's
I
gone
am
bad
mashed
already.
the whole thing right now.
Yeah, I was just about to say that, but it's gone bad already, babes. You can't, like, once the energy switch, fam, look at this shit, fam. Once the energy switch and you start the grilling, it's hard to try and bounce back and be like, so it's just not gonna be the same, man. I've been there, man. When the sweet ones put it on you, bro, you just have to sit back, dog, and just take it, fam. But obviously, I'm not as lit as Likkleman, because Likkleman has a 300 body count, bro. I'm at like 3. All right, fam, I need to get some advice from Likkleman, bro, no cap.
Stick it on me.
You,
I thought you were confident.
I am. You mashed up the whole thing right now.
Mashed it
Have
up,
I?
man.
Tough in the ring, but not tough in front of a woman.
Shut up, man. Take care.
What's it like being a parent?
It's something different, innit? I've always wanted to have my own child, you know what I mean? Because I've never had no parents. I've obviously been through that mad life, but
Yeah,
I'm a good dad to my child, innit?
that's
And obviously
good.
she's beautiful, man. She's everything I wanted, innit? So,
Aww. I don't know
It's
what it is about
amazing.
men that are fathers, but it makes them more attractive when they're actually present in their kid's life.
Aye, so, aye, Monday, what we saying? You need to go get a couple things. Frank goes, no. If anybody agreed with me, you need to stop, bro. Stop. Fam. Just don't do it on purpose. Just if it happens, just know that the girl they might see you a little bit more attractive because you know. Just go for Instagram with my daughter as soon as she born, bro. Like, yeah, babes, I love you. I'm just in your life so much. Yeah, man, DM full up. 100 DMs. That's when I'll get to 300 body count like Likkleman, bro. That's what I need to do. Get somebody pregnant on purpose. And then I'll get all the girls in my DM.
Do you think fatherhood has changed you in any way?
yeah, because obviously everything in life is like what I get or get any, like if I get money, it's not for me no more. It's like, I can go shopping and say, yo, bam, I've got to think about my daughter, think about what she needs, think about her future, you know what I'm saying?
Have you ever suffered with mental health?
Yeah, stress, depressed, all of that.
Yeah, like anxiety when you can't leave the house. And
No, I don't feel like that.
have you never had that?
Nah.
Oh, darn. I get anxiety bad.
So don't?
Yeah, sometimes I can't leave the house.
Oh, bless you.
Yeah, it's really, really bad.
For real?
Yeah.
People get anxiety when them can't leave the house. That's mad. Shouldn't the anxiety come when you're in a position that triggers the anxiety? Or I guess maybe your brain can just trigger it whenever. Who knows? If you have anxiety, let me know.
Yeah, we all go through things.
You can't leave the yard.
Yeah, there's
Just
been
call
times.
Likkleman, man, I'll wake you up, man. I'll make you feel better.
How would you make me feel better?
You need some jokes here, give you some banter.
Banter, good. Some
Make you
positive
smile, innit?
news.
Make you laugh. I'm not diagnosed with anything, so I don't ever got mental health. But I reckon so.
Yeah, but just because you're not diagnosed with anything, like, have you ever felt like depression?
Yeah.
Aye, man, this is
suicide.
aye. Cheyenne, man, Cheyenne. We're 5 minutes in, babes. At least give us some time, man. We're just laughing and talking about getting a girl them pregnant. Now we are talking about depression. My God, like this took a turn, babes. We need to get back on the main road, fam. Get back on the mains.
Or anything like that?
Saying it, maybe, yeah, that's suicidal, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've said it a couple of times. I'll wig myself. But
Really?
never, I'd never do that.
How do you deal with like getting out of that kind of mental state?
Just gotta be around good people. You know what I mean?
It's important, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have you ever had like a complex being like a shorter guy?
I'm a bit aggy, if you know
Oh
what I mean.
yeah, so it's like little
Yeah.
man syndrome. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
But that's through what I've been through, innit?
So it's not
Yeah.
through your height, it's just genuinely through your life experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just about to say that, bro. It's not like short people aren't just born short and angry, bro. Like they're short and people treat them bad because they're short, and then they get angry for people treating them bad because they're short. You know what I'm saying? So that's where it comes from. But yeah, man, stop treating people bad because they're short, man.
Obviously, people always look at me, innit? And I look at them like, what are you looking at? Then they just look down. That was it. If you see a normal sized person, oh, it's a normal sized person. See a small person, like,
Yeah.
keep following the person.
Does it affect you
Nah,
mentally?
not anymore.
Not anymore. So it did at one
Nah,
point.
yeah, of course. I used to
Yeah,
get annoyed. I sort of beat up people, innit? But
Yeah,
I've
man.
grown out though, like I said, I'm mature now. I'm big 27, you know what I'm saying?
You know who you are as a person,
Yeah,
so now
yeah.
it's like, nah, do you know
Yeah,
what? He
that's the
needs-
thing. Once you know who you are as a person, bro, you can come on YouTube like this and not give a fuck, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'll just actually even do it like this because you can still hear my voice clear. You just can't see my face. You don't know. Gang. You know what I'm saying? Incognito, man. You don't even know who this is. Am I a T-scam? Am I a suspect? Am I bro day? Who am I, bro? You don't know, fam. Just make sure when I see you, you stay inside. Pussy! I'm sorry, dog. I'm so sorry, guys. I need to get back to this video.
To give himself more credit.
You know what he's got to do it now is the kids.
Yeah.
The kids. How old are you? You know this. I laugh though.
How do you respond to children doing it? Because you can't.
No, of course. I tell them myself, I'm not your dad, but I'm just small. They're like, no. And I'm saying yes.
How do you like educate people? Because what's the correct term?
Achondroplasia. That's the proper name for it.
Okay.
Achondroplasia.
Educate
What?
me.
What, bro? What word? Sorry. What word did this guy just say, fam? He said like a 13-letter word.
Plasia.
Achondroplasia. What?
Yes.
How do you like educate people? Because what's the correct term?
Achondroplasia. That's the proper name for it.
Achondroplasia.
Okay. Educate me.
What do you want to know about it?
I don't know. I just feel like I don't want to sound like an asshole, but I'm really ignorant to it.
Yeah.
Because for me, like you're the first person I've met that.
Really small.
What's the tallest woman you've dated?
Normal size.
Normal size. But I mean, like, have you ever dated like a woman that's like 6 foot?
I've never been with a small person.
Really?
Since I've been famous, I've only been around little people. But before all that, before I come out of jail and I was famous, I've never been around small people. I've been around.
What? Well, no, that's not that far-fetched, but at least, you know what I'm saying, you might know I'm one man from the ends, and he's like, fam, I know our next one, let me bring them up, man. And then, like, the two of them just, all right, fam, all right. That's what I would do, because if I knew two midget people, I would just link them up, blood, I swear. If it was man them, or if it was man and a girl, I would just link them up, bro. I know it can just be one big midget family, you understand? But I just have way too much fun in my imagination, bro. But that's hilarious.
I'm growing people in my life. That's why I've got so much confidence, and you know what I mean. I'm just normal. That's why when everyone sees me, they come at it. I don't see they come at as a small person. I see him as a normal person because how he brings himself. You know what I mean. But when I see little bitches, I'm looking at them like, you see, it baffles me sometimes, and it makes me feel a bit weird.
Yeah.
But because I'm not used to it, because I've never seen them in it. When I see them, they're good man, but they don't have enough confidence as how I do. But that's just them in it.
Yeah, everyone's on their own journey.
Yeah. You know, you ain't gotta say too much.
What's
Don't
your
say
body count?
nothing. Whoa. All right, that question, guys. We need to start flipping the script on these girls, you know, bro. What do you mean you're asking me what's my body count? Am I a piece of meat to you? Does the more people that I have sex with bring down my value? That's what you're trying to say to me, girl? Oh, well, I have you know that I am a feminist and I don't agree with that.
What's your body count?
I'm joking, guys. I ain't no feminist. If you took that serious, you need to get some help.
You have to make eye contact as you say it, because I feel like you're gonna really lie. Well, you give me. I don't know how many people you
just ring off some numbers, innit? I don't know, mate. And I'll say yay or nay.
50?
Right.
100? Less or more?
More.
More. You're active.
I'm 27, man.
200?
300. I'm 27, man. I was shagging when I was 13.
And you're single?
Now I am, yeah.
Now I am. Dog, 14 years of shagging. Nah, man. I started when I was 14 enough, fam, but it's like, it wasn't like consistent. It was like 14 and then couple years and then, you know what I'm saying? But, mad. That's mad.
Active. Come on, man. I'm 27, man. I was
Active
shagging when I was
gang.
13, man. It's add the numbers up, innit?
Did prison teach you anything?
Like, everyone's got their own age they get to when they start saying, yo, enough's enough, innit? I was in jail. I got 4 years when I was 2017, and I was in there till 2019. And obviously, I come out famous, so before, if I didn't come out famous,
I think the whole reason why he came out famous because the man them was making videos in jail and like throwing him in like garbage cans and stuff, and it was like the funniest shit ever, bro. And then the nigga came out, and then the whole point was like, fam, why is this guy in jail? Like, what did you do to end up in pen, Likkleman? That's what I want to know. But he got 4 years, so it's like, what, some drugs thing, or what? A quick little GBH or something? I say quick little. It's not a quick little, bro. It's violence. Don't do any GBHs. But you understand? Like, what was it, you know?
Probably be back in jail right now. You know what I mean? Because I've got nothing to come out for. You know what I mean? So I've come out, got famous, and obviously I thought to myself, I've got opportunity to change my life right now. So why would I go do my silly stuff I used to do before to put myself back in there? It don't make sense, you know what I mean? So let me just give this a shot and see how it goes in life, innit? And right now, this is the longest I've stayed out of jail in my whole life.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that's great.
I've done 10 years behind the door, not all together. Back and forth, about 10 years behind the door, you know what I'm saying?
No.
And obviously, don't get twisted. I won't tell anyone to go to prison or follow me or follow anyone who's doing anything. Stay on the right path, go get a job. like me and do something successful in it.
I like that. Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
I like your
Aye,
mentality.
aye.
Oi, this guy's got substance, you know.
Hey, I know she's feeling him, you know, based on the things that he's been saying and the confidence he's been giving off and how quiet she has been. She's been praying him, man, analyzing. So maybe, hey, Likkleman might have a gear the third leg. You never know, blood. Imagine if Likkleman was the one to get Cheyenne, bro. I'll be glad still, because Cheyenne is a really nice thing. I'm saying. But yeah, if Likkleman does that, bro, we might have to take a page out of Likkleman's book. You know what I'm saying?
More than he's letting on. What do you look for in a woman?
Coca-Cola bottle, big back.
I the Coca-Cola buckle shape I hate around the place, bro. There's so many Jamaican like references and terms and slangs in UK term and slang. There's no way that I can link up with the man them.
What do you look for in a woman?
Coca-Cola bottle, big back, and beautiful face, nice personality,
He wants a big
beautiful
back.
teeth, got a beautiful smile.
It's very kind of you. You have really nice eyes.
Thank you very much.
Have you looked at my boobs whilst we've been here?
We've got them out in it, so.
You've got him
Got it
out.
out. I just
You
think
want
they
everyone
just
to see them in it, because if it wasn't, it'd be zipped up.
gonna zip it up.
Nah, just leave it like how it is, innit? But I've
Yeah,
seen
man,
it now,
isn't
innit?
it?
It's just
Yeah,
there,
man.
innit?
Just there,
You know what I mean?
What got you into fighting?
I've come from a crazy background and I've always been fighting from a young age. So when I was a bit aggressive, and because I didn't have that father figure, I was a bit like, so everyone used to say, because I'm aggressive, like, why don't you just put my aggressive into something useful? So I started doing boxing, and obviously I've done successful through the boxing. Keeps me strong, fit, healthy, and I'm ready for anything what comes in my way, you know what I'm saying? Or when I was young, I've always had someone to say, oh, you can't do that, you can't do this, you can't do this. So I'm a prover. I'll prove my point, I can do it.
Yeah.
If I can do it, anyone could do it, you know what I mean?
Do women like fetishize
Yeah,
you?
I like that still. I like that still. Like, not gonna lie, comedy aside and the funny shit aside, Likkleman, like, I really would still like. This made me really understand. So yeah, besides all of the funny shit and comedy shit, there's a real like stable mentality behind it, you know?
I'll prove my point, I can do it. If I can do it, anyone could do it, you know what I mean?
Do women like fetishize you?
I've had some crazy women, yeah. You know it is, women are very curious about how big my penis, isn't it?
Yeah, I am curious.
And I'll tell you, I don't need to lie. I've got a big thing, innit?
Is it big though, or just
got
like...
big thing, innit? She even said it, bro. She's curious. Hey, Likkleman is looking the most likely to, you know what I'm saying, head the top of the list, bro, and get her the wood in.
It's big because you're shorter.
It's big, innit?
It's big.
Man hit the spot, innit?
Okay.
You know that wall?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fam, don't hit any girl's walls like that, bro. That's cervix cancer, fam. Stop.
Man hit the spot, innit?
Okay.
You know that wall?
Yeah?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
No.
I actually really want to know how big his dick is.
You don't get a lot of small people, so they're curious about what dress.
Fam, it's just the way how she say it, dog. It's like, curious in what way? Like, how you want to find out? Do you want to see her find out, or you want the man forget you and think I find out? Bro, I'm way too excited.
How do you reckon his dick would be? Big, small, long, bendy, sideways? But little didn't they know, man's got the tripod like the camera, you know what I'm saying? So, big and strong.
That was a big ass strong. Big ass strong, big ass
What
strong.
advice would you give your younger self?
Don't follow people, don't get drawn in, and just keep it humble and just be yourself.
Keep it,
And don't
yeah.
be shy to say no.
Bro, say that again, bro. Say that again, dog. Cause even I had to realize that shit, man. Say that again.
What advice would you give your younger self?
Don't follow people, don't get drawn in, and just keep it humble and just be yourself. And don't be
Aye.
shy to say no.
Aye, you see that be humble and be yourself thing, man? Aye, man. Trust me, man. It goes a long way. Even if, like, just for yourself and your own mental health, bro, your own sanity, and just your own happiness, bro. Being humble and being yourself. Oh, my God. There's nothing more. Bro, I sleep so well at night, you wouldn't even understand. Like, I don't even give a... Like, I just don't care about outside forces, outside influences, you understand? And that makes the outside influences kind of be like, so why this guy don't care about us? Because, man, I'm me, man. Humble, but I'm me, man. And there's nobody like me and will never be anybody like me. You understand? And once you realize that, bro, and you don't follow company and you don't get into certain shit, man, yeah, man, you can live a nice life, bros. This got kind of deep still, but it's mad.
Yeah.
Because that's what it is. When I was growing up, obviously, this little this person what done their mad shit to me. He had me like wrapped around my finger in it. It was crazy. You know, and if he said jump, I say how high.
Yeah.
Because I was scared to say no. I don't know, it was just weird. I don't know how I got to that situation, but it was just mad. Like, he used to make me go shop. I didn't want to go shop. He makes you go do this, do things I didn't want to do. It was mad.
Yeah.
But I know other kids out there in that situation as well,
Yeah,
so
man.
don't feel afraid to say no, innit?
There's so many kids in the ghetto, in not even London, just anywhere, bro, just going through that, dog. Afraid to say no because they're scared of the person. Because they know when they say no, the person going to try bully them or beat them up. But yeah, man, if that has to happen, for you to say no and for them to leave you alone, it just has to happen, bro, you know? You have to face it.
What would you say is your biggest failure?
Taking people's things I shouldn't be taking. Like breaking into someone's home, taking their stuff. That's not me, innit? Like, I'd never do that right now, you know what I'm saying? Like, I done it because my mum never had given me money. I had to do it to wear nice clothes, to fit in with my peoples. And it was just mad, but that's my biggest regret, like hurting people, making people come home and see their things, properties gone, because I wouldn't like that for myself, you know what I'm saying?
Hurt people though.
Yeah. Bro, imagine if I came home, I'm a laptop, I'm a TV, I'm a phone, and everything. Bro, you know what I'm saying? So when the man them talk about staying gang, I'm like, I'll just react to y'all staying gang and shit, fam. I'm not gonna, you know what I'm saying? I ain't supporting that shit. Y'all niggas keep that staying and shit over there, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's why, when like, I don't want to talk about. Let's continue.
Yeah, but it's nice to see though the way you've just like turned your life around, but also like you come with a message, because it's really easy to sit and say this, but when like people can preach anything all day long, but
trap their shit.
if you can't resonate with people, then people don't want to hear it. But I feel like your story, like it's you, that's your experience, and it's
Dog, Cheyenne is so sexy, dog.
happened. Yeah.
You can have my fast
Can you let me have your phone passcode?
If me and you was together and I actually liked you and it was like a fully thing, you can go through my phone because there's nothing to hide. If it was just a little thing like I was seeing a girl for a week, she ain't going on my phone. Going on my phone for what?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If I was with you consistently for the whole month, of course, obviously you must be my girl then, innit?
Okay.
I must like you as a person.
Yeah, man. Ooh, wait, hold on. Before we get to that one, this madness, let me know, do you want your girls having your phone password? Let me know in the comments, bro. Cause me personally, I don't care, cause like you ain't gonna see nothing because I don't do nothing. And then like, you know what I'm saying? Like even when girls do text my phone, bro, I just leave it, fam. I don't even reply, or I just leave it, dog. So you can go to my phone, babes. No cap. I don't care. Let's see what they're saying.
Play what you on about?
What's your card?
Play a batty.
Take it anywhere you want.
Nah, Bridget.
Nah,
I say
brethren.
yes, because I like a massage.
Don't get come fuck up my batty.
Would you stick it in mine?
Yeah.
So yes then. I don't know. It's how you
Oh,
want
f your ass.
Yo, Likkleman. Dog, you need to chill, bro. Man say, yo, no girl can play with my body. Aye. Dog, Likkleman said, no girl can play with him body. Ah, dog. I hear you still. Same still. Hey, keep the body safe, yeah?
Girl then, innit?
to. Okay.
I must like you as a person. Booty, play what you on about?
What's your card?
Play a batty.
Take it anywhere you want.
Nah, Bridget.
I say yes, because I like a massage.
Don't get come fuck up my batty.
Would you stick it in mine?
Yeah.
So yes then. I don't know. It's how you
Oh,
want
f your ass.
to. Wait.
Oh, man.
I've never sucked a toe in my life.
No?
I ain't got a problem with feet, but no feet are going in my mouth.
Oh, I like
I'll massage your foot, but I won't.
That's all right.
I won't sock it. I won't say, yeah, look at that toe, big toe.
Oh, yeah, you know what I'm
No
saying?
chance.
Like, there's nothing attractive about the toe. Like, you can have a nice foot, you know, and you have nice feet, but it's like, I don't want, that look mad, fam. Nah, man. You see what I mean? That whole sucking and putting things in there, that just, nah, man. Sus, man. Man. Get that. No, bro. Cut that, man. Cut that. Don't. If you're watching this, cut, man. Lock off the video, bro. The video done. It's done.
No chance.
No.
Oh, I got a pedicure just for you.
Shazza, what?
No chance.
No chance.
No.
Oh, I got a pedicure just for you.
Oh, yeah.
Would you be
Yeah,
prepared to be a stay-at-home father? And
Yes.
let me be the breadwinner.
Yes!
You stay at home and cook, clean, raise the kids.
That's the feet.
Yes, bro. Because when I stay home, I'll keep doing shit like this. So it's like, you'll be a breadwinner, but I'll be a breadwinner as well. And I was there, because the man, them gonna check out trigonometry reacts, bro, and support me, you know what I'm saying? So I can be. And you know me, I'm in the kitchen chefing up with my big zoo in my mouth, blood. Yo, listen, man. I'm an apron. Listen, man, I'm ready, bro. I don't like going outside anyway.
Female's job. You're the mother.
Oh,
I'm the man.
You can't say it's the female's job.
Of course it is. I'm the man who brings the money to the table. So I've got to go out there and graft. So when I come home, my food's on the blood clot table. You understand?
So you want to be the breadwinner?
My food on the blood clot table. Yeah, that's really hard, man. Yeah.
So when I come home, my food's on the blood clot table.
Yeah,
you understand?
So you want to be the breadwinner?
Yeah.
What if I want to be the one that goes out and makes money?
No, it's not. That's never for a girl, though.
It's the 21st century. Women, we are securing the bag now. You can be the stay-at-home husband.
You see, if it was a thing, if it's a thing where it was like that from before, then yeah, but you can't have my situation as it is now and then one go say, you know what I'm saying, change it to be staying at home if I wasn't staying at home before. You know what I'm saying? That's my only qualm or quarrel with it, you know? But if I was staying at home before and you're like, yeah, babes, I'm gonna, you know, you continue staying at home, I'm like, all right, I wasn't planning to leave.
If I had kids, it wouldn't be like that because you'd be looking after the kids.
Okay, so you're alpha.
Yeah, of course I'm an alpha. I'm a lion. See it now?
Lion, yeah?
Chest now.
Okay. Quite ripped, isn't it?
Of course. I rip for you.
For me, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, Likkleman, yes, he's doing the right things, bro. Trust me, he's doing the right things.
Well, okay.
I don't know, I feel like men usually
Certain men
have an
don't, but you
issue.
know what it is? But what about my body count then?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes, this is what I'm saying. Finally, a man that comes with the same energy.
One rule for one, rule for another. It don't make sense.
All right, no, it is. I understand what he's saying, what they're saying right here now, but it still is different though, fam. Because if a girl told me she had a 3 bills body count, bro, huh? How you do that? How did you do that, bro? Like, you a porn star or something? How you do that? Like, nah, fam. So even though you kind of call a spade and hold both sides accountable, the man can get away with having 100 body count, you know what I'm saying? Nah, man. I don't want to talk to any girl with anything over 20. I'm 21. So if anything over 20 and you're 20 or 21 like me, nah, man. And the older I get, is the more leeway I'll give. But for now, bro, nothing over 20.
If you ain't beating none of my brethrens, yeah, I don't give a No, because I think it's the image thing, that's why.
Do you think...
She shagged bare man, so what?
Bro, it's not so what, bro. There's a lot of mental, like, stuff that goes behind it. Because how did she end up in the position to shag all of those 100 man? She must, you know, so there's certain behavioral patterns that lead people into these situations. So you kind of have to be aware of these things. It's not just, oh, she shagged bare man, I don't like her, oh, whatever. Because when you see her, she bathe, she clean, she smell good, you're not going to know that any man's been there. But when her behavior starts to show certain things, you'll be like, oh, so that's how you end up fuck 100 man. You understand? Yeah, bro. I know what I'm talking about, no cap.
What's that mean? Every, like, you bare pussy.
Yes,
you know what I mean?
I like this.
Not the same.
Do you think that, like, since having a daughter, though, like, your mindset's changed with how you treat women?
Damn right, you're mad. My ex-relationship was a bit crazy, like, they're arguing that was what I used to have when I was a young kid, and now I've got it now with my daughter. I have to cut that out. I'm not on that. Because imagine when my daughter grows up and she's heard it from home, so she goes to when she gets to her age, to her teenager age, she finds a boyfriend she likes, the next minute, mama tries to slap her.
Yeah, you have to set the
I'll
standards.
catch it, you know what I'm saying? It's not a thing like that. It's my baby girl, innit? You can't be doing them things.
You can't be doing them things, man. Hey, no joke, bro. Hey, play this for any future young boy in our future, yeah? You say KOGENCY data? Trigonometry data, bro? No, just you see me there I with the scarf and the thing and I laugh. Let me tell you something, you. I will left an ice pick in your neck. Looking at my eye. I will leave an ice pick inside your neck if you're ramping my picnic. Don't touch my picnic, yeah? Alright. Let's just leave it at that. I don't want the judge to say anything. Judge, I'm innocent. Free me.
You have to the shit out of me. Try to anyway.
I think you might be a sub, you know.
What's a sub?
Submissive.
No.
You sure? But you said you want women to you.
Yeah, but you know what I'm on about. Me and 3 gal.
Yeah.
Let's go ham.
Maybe go ham.
More. I don't care. I'm not shy. I'm not scared. I'll just manhandle everything. Listen, I've had threesomes here where men don't even get involved because they're laughing that much. Yeah, I'm just putting in the work. Big man, I go on gangbangs with them. They just sit there and laughing. They're itching their head because my bum's getting Yo, when I press trigger, blood, I'm telling you, it's a matter. Yeah, this bare walk.
Fam, he slaps his own hand like he's trying to hurt himself, bro. Look at the force in his slaps, bro. Look at this.
I press trigger, blood, I'm telling you, it's a matter. Yeah, this bare.
Fam, his whole body is shaking. Like, why are you so aggressive, dog? Like, even if I do, I'll just do it, you know what I'm saying? Do I want to? He's doing it like, rah, rah, rah. Fam, Likkleman, bro. Like, god damn, nigga, you need to calm down.
Walk. They're baffled how I just get down in it. They're fascinated at the same time because my thing's big and they're like, they feel maybe a bit shy at the same time because my thing's probably bigger than theirs. You know what I'm saying? So when I'm putting shifting, they're like, but they're laughing because we're boys, innit? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know, trust me, my kids laugh. I've been on a Mazda. My brother's there laughing, bending up, and I'm just back shotting the gal. Crazy.
How big?
Oh my, she's still on it. You see what I mean? Likkleman, I got smashed, bro. He smashed already, bro. Her tits look amazing.
Can his dick really be?
So remember, I got mad energy in it.
Mad energy.
So imagine me naked and a pussy in front of me. What do you think I'll do to it? You get me? You understand?
Okay.
All right.
All right then. Grill it.
My head game is 10-10.
Really? His mouth game's strong.
Whoa. Hey, listen. As a yard man, there's certain conversations that I just omit myself from, bro. Not that I'm judging anybody or I'm saying that it's wrong or right to do anything. Everybody live their life. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck. But when we start talking about the nyam, I'ma shut up.
You fuck. Your head game 10-10 too.
It's alright. Humble.
I don't think my thing can fit in that mouth.
You imagining your dick in my mouth?
I'm
You
just
definitely
I'm just
are.
looking at your little small mouth in it. I was thinking, it better fit in it.
What's a little mode?
Do you like a dominant woman?
Yeah.
Would you let me dominate you?
What do you mean dominate me?
Yeah. Would
What's
you?
that?
What's that?
Like in the bedroom?
I'm me in charge.
I'm
Me
Really?
wear the trousers and you wear the blouse. Shy can definitely not dominate.
Me wear the trousers, you wear the blouse. Alright, big up Likkleman. This was a funny episode.
In charge. And you wear
Really?
the trousers and you
You
wear
wear
the
the
blouse.
blouse.
Shy can definitely not dominate me. I'm the dominator.
Aye.
I'd love to see him try to dominate me.
Watch it.
What would you do if I...
Bro, she obviously did not see the aggression in this man's. You know what I'm saying? Babes, Cheyenne, don't make the man have to show you, babes. Don't let him have to show you.
I'd love to see him try to dominate me. What would you do if I'd slept with 2 of your friends in the past? Are you staying with me?
I'll probably press gas on you and cut.
Really?
Yeah, man. Just
Can-
press gas and cut, man. Why am I staying with you?
Do
Man?
if I'd slept with 2 of your friends in the past? Are you staying with me?
No, man.
I'll probably press gas on you and cut.
Really?
Cut, man.
Can't you...
Hey, I tried it one time, bro. It's not the same. Especially when you found out the situation, that's the whole. And then you're like, bruv, really, fam? Like, you start even looking at them different, dog. I said, really? I like, nah, man. Man. Yeah, man. So, from my experience, I'll never do that again. You know what I'm saying? I don't care how long ago it was. The cap has to be at least 5 years, bro. At least 5 years, dog. Yeah, at least 5 years.
Just look off your friends for me.
Nah.
Why?
'Cause they're-
I'm the one though.
No.
Is it?
Yeah. If I was the one and I'd slept with 2 of your friends, would you lock them off?
No.
For the love of
That
your
means you're
life?
not the one.
No.
Because they're the ones that are ready to ride for me, innit? They're
Yeah.
the ones what I'm going to do anything for me, innit?
Like, listen, no one rides harder than a woman in love. Trust me.
Is it? Are you good enough now?
No. What would you do?
See, but that's how you know Likkleman is confident, bro. Cause yeah,
Are you good enough now?
he love now.
What would you do if I wanted to start an OnlyFans?
Nah,
No.
man.
No, I can't have OnlyFans.
Nah, man. What you mean? You want broadcast the thing, selling yourself for 99p? What going for that, man? Nah, man. Me not in that, man. If you do it more, you charge some 10,000, man. Alright, not even you worth 10,000. People can buy you for 10,000. Nah, man. Love the OnlyFans thing, man. The only way I'll accept anybody, like, in terms of my partner, doing OnlyFans is if before I did know her, she was down super bad. And then when I meet her and start talking to her, she's a really cool girl, but she just end up have OnlyFans. That's the only way, bro. But me and you not going to be talking, and you never have OnlyFans before, and then you want to have OnlyFans while with me. No, man, no. I'll call suspect for you, babes. Don't do that.
Why?
Because it's mine, innit?
Really?
Yeah.
So it's not my body, my choice?
No.
So why would you make money by selling your body?
Why not? So it's an industry, it's a
Jones-
profession.
That's a Jones thing. What's mine is mine, not for everyone else to see.
Yeah,
you know
man.
what I'm saying? So whatever's in her underwear, in her back, in her front, in her up, top, bottom, that's all
Wherever,
mine, innit?
yeah.
If she wants to go do her thing and put herself out there, go be it. That's her, innit, on her own.
Yeah, on her own.
Not me.
Not with me.
So no to
exactly.
OnlyFans?
Yeah, of course not to OnlyFans.
But I don't understand why it's such an issue.
Of course it is. If you got a boyfriend, why are you selling your blood clot body?
It's not really, it's just an industry, isn't it?
No, it's
Come
not
on.
just no.
If
You
you wanna
see,
go
you see what they do. Oh, it's just industry. You see what they do? They try to switch it, man. No, man. I'm not even having a conversation with this, bro. No.
Everybody be single, innit?
Why? Do you think it would affect your ego?
No, it's not like the man. It's like, why is next man looking at my girl's things?
Because I'm making money.
It don't matter.
It don't matter.
Nah, bitchin'.
You see me, money doesn't override the morals and the principles, bro. That's what happened with a lot of fucking people in fucking this year and just life in general, you know. Man, they make money override their morals and principles, bro. And clout. You know what I'm saying? They make money and clout override morals and principles. No, fam. No, bro. Because, bro, as much money as you get, bro, everyone's wiggable. You can die at any moment. People can rob all that money away. Bro, there's so much that can go on, fam. While you're just there prioritizing money. Money isn't everything, bro. Trust me.
The girls lost their man.
Exactly.
What would you do if I wanted to involve other people in our sex life?
Only girls.
Alright, it's a bit weird.
Is it weird?
Yeah, 'cause I've never had it. But
Really? What if I was
it-
like, babe, I really want a threesome?
Yeah, well, if I liked you, I know that wouldn't happen.
No, no threesomes.
No. With your friend maybe, but no.
No, friends like the worst choice.
Not a man.
I feel like if you're gonna
What,
do
you think a man?
But why would it
You
be
think my
mine?
bitch is coming to fuck out you? That's
So my friend okay. It'd have to be like a.
Nah, it's not gonna be a boy. It could be a gal, but not a man. I'd rather just knock it nail on the head and say, nah. You're just mine.
Yeah.
And if you wanna have a threesome, be single, innit?
Yeah, man.
Keep that out of me. No, because I've never had that thing, so I can't say.
Yeah, all right. That's the thing, man. Everyone's on this fantasy thing, but bro, think about it, dog. Especially if it's like, it's a random person. You're going to have to be switching condoms. Like, get like, bro, it's long, man. It's long. I know when we watch porn, we think it's all. You know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong. You know, two girls can be very nice, but it can also be not very nice. So yeah. But would I? Yeah, I would still. Yeah, I would, man. Yeah, of course I would, bro. But like, it would have to be with like a girl that I like though. You know what I'm saying? Because I already have my missus. So for me to bring another girl in, I would have to like her close to how I like my missus, you know?
It's a bit weird.
Yeah.
If I liked you, it wouldn't happen. No.
Okay. What would you do if your friends are liking all my selfies?
I'll stick it on them.
Will you?
Yeah, of course I would. Why they preying my girl's things?
Why not? Hype me.
Why
Hype you?
So you wouldn't like it?
Why is my bridge looking at my girl's things for?
Support.
Support where?
Me.
Support what?
No, darling.
No, don't you want to see me be great?
No, it's nothing to do with
Not
that.
on Instagram.
What if your
so
girls
much-
Man
tend
said, don't you want to see me be great on Instagram? Are you a model? And even if you're an IG model, that make it worse. I don't want my friends liking your stuff. Because if you're an IG model, means you're probably showing tits or ass or showing some type of sexual imagery. But make it worse. I don't want my brethrens looking at that, bro. Nah, man. Aye, shy. I hope like you're just asking these for asking sake, you know. And I hope you don't want a OnlyFans. I hope you're not trying to bring a man in on our threesome. And I hope that, you know what I'm saying, you're not out on Instagram wanting everybody to like your shit.
10.
It doesn't matter if she's 10-10.
It's a standard. Listen, when you get with a girl
I know,
that's 10,
I know.
10
That's
standard,
why.
everyone's gonna like
yeah,
her
of
shit.
course. But I'm just saying, as my brethren knows, that's my thing. That's it. Don't look upon her. You can look upon her chapter or whatever and keep it neutral, but go with any five like liking pictures and that. That's a bit taking a piss like I'm a prick.
Yeah,
like,
man.
especially with my friend, but you're liking my girl's thing.
Yeah, man.
So now me and you got a problem. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's not even like if I'm scrolling and I see like he likes one picture, cause you know, you're just scrolling, she upload on the day, you're like, oh, something that girl, come, I'm like, click double tap, quick thing, you know what I'm saying? But when it's like the man just liking like about 5 pictures back to back, whoa, big man, hey, wait, let me talk to you real quick, bro. What's you doing on my girl page, bro? Why you liking 5 pictures, bro? What's going on? Like, what's going on? Like, I'd really have to, you know what I'm saying? Nah, man. Because you know when the girl them do that to you, them want you in the DM. So when I see you doing that to my girl, what y'all try to say, bro? Do have to whoosh and push. Do have to get the... Alright, bro. Listen, man. Getting close to the end of the video. Let's go.
Can't run, man.
Yeah, no violations.
Yeah, man, you can't do them things.
Cool. What would you do if I didn't give head?
Nah, I'm not really a head guy, innit?
Really? What if the mouth game's like strong?
You can be strong, but I like to throw all my babies in your belly.
What would you do if...
That's what it said. I mean, alright, let me tell you. If she just said it off rip like no, I probably wouldn't do with her, bro. You know what I'm saying? But like if she's just not good at it, then that's fine. Because like I can only count on my hand the amount of girls that have made me, you know what I'm saying, bust from head before, you know what I'm saying? So it's really not that much. Like girls that really can't give good head like that. Let me not say that. There's like the girls that think that they give really good head, a lot of them really don't. They give average or like just regular. You know what I'm saying? The really good ones, it's like, yeah, them one they've been practicing from teenage years, bro. Like no cap, bro. You can tell the girls them that been practicing since them young.
I went to prison.
Of course, I could visit you.
Would you like sleep with other people though?
Depends how long you got.
Wait. What'd you say?
Throw all my babies in your belly.
Gang.
What would you do if I went to prison?
Of course, I could visit you.
Would you like sleep with other people though?
Depends how long you got.
2 years.
What?
2 years is a very long time. 24 months.
I'd wait if I was in love.
It's a long time for someone not to get their thrill, mate. Let me tell you. You can be the sexiest girl. You can be with the baddest man. It don't mean nothing. When a girl wants, mate, the girl's gonna get.
Yeah, man.
If I fall madly in love with you and you're my kid's mom, maybe. But
Yeah. Do you think social media has ruined love and how people
social
have
media,
relationships?
Yeah,
what an
man.
image.
Social media has ruined almost everything. Like, it's made certain things better, you know what I'm saying, that I can just sit in my room and just, you know, react to videos like this and, like, you know, have a good time with you and the gang and the trigonometry gang. But like, for, like, materialistic stuff and people comparing themselves to other people and people being depressed and getting bullied. Well, the bullying, I don't care about that. But, like, people getting depressed and shit like that. Yeah, man. Social media, man.
It's all image.
Right.
Yeah.
Like you see man with big chains and you think they're balling. They're not balling,
Yeah.
because it's their next man's chains or...
Do you ball on Instagram?
I did. When I come out of prison, Bouncer used to take me to the jewelers and say, get this chain. Next minute, 2 weeks ago, the chain vanished. So basically, I was just to make the Instagram look good. You get me?
Fake it for the gram.
Yeah, fake it for the gram. But I've had jewels. I've had my own shit. But jewels don't mean nothing to me no more because you know what I mean. I've been there. I've done that. You know, I ain't got my house yet, so I'm not happy in it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't got my goals yet. I've achieved.
How do you think you've done on the date today?
Shit.
Why?
Because you stuck it on me. That's why. I didn't even know what to expect. It was mad. It was just like, oh. I was about dimples, everything was coming out. It was mad.
It was cute though.
Thank you. If you want to go for another date with no cameras, let me know, innit?
No, it was a good date, you know. I'm surprised.
Yes. I love how he ended it still with the liquor wings. Still, Cheyenne like him, and I know she likes him, bro. Let's see if she's gonna, you know what I'm saying, go for date number 2.
Guys, I love a man with substance, so I underestimated him.
The date was a bit mad because obviously she stuck it on me, innit? Usually I'm some person who sticks it on them.
No, we took the grilling okay. A little shy.
Second date's on the card.
I feel like I needed him to be a little bit more alpha. I felt like I was dominating him a little too much for my liking.
Yeah,
Like, the grilling was
really?
light wet, man.
Really? After my man, bro, I'm not gonna stop talking about this. After my man grab all of the energy from all of the ancestors in the fucking world and let you know, say he's gonna give you the woodine, you're gonna say that you think you dominated him. Nah, Cheyenne, that perception is a hell of a thing. Because I did not get that from the video. At all, blood. At all. Are you mad? Dominate Likkleman. Aye, listen, man. Look at his arms, bro. The veins in his arms are standing, fam. You can't dominate this guy.
I'm anything, man. I'll chat about anything. I don't care.
Yeah, man.
But she stuck it on me, though. Don't get twisted. I was shy to fuck.
He ticked a lot of boxes, like an honest man, someone that can open up, the fact that he's a good dad, and that he's humble. However, I just need a man just to dominate me that little bit more, you know.
Don't underestimate her, mate. Don't make that beautiful face fool you, mate.
Aye.
Do you know what? I wouldn't say no to a second date. I feel
My guy.
if he can come through with the alpha energy,
Wow.
maybe.
I reckon I got a 6 or 7.
Fam, what more alpha did she want, bro? Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Yeah.
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 Not bad.
I don't care.
I'm gonna give him
Wait, what you don't care about?
with the alpha energy. Maybe.
Man.
I reckon I got a 6 or 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
I don't care.
I don't care.
I'm gonna give him a 7.
And that's what happens when you're what? And that's what happens when you're confident, bro. You just don't give a fuck.
7.5.
Yo, she gave Castillo a 3. Alright, we have to watch the Castillo one. Ha! Shy. Oh man, with the guys. Ah man, let me get a try. Aye. Why not a why? Listen, man. Bro, I like this one still. It was, a nice balance. We got a lot of funny parts. She started talking about the depression stuff. I was like, babes, we need to switch the topic. And then, we talk about some real life stuff, some jail stuff. So we got a whole heap of stuff. Whole heap of content in this video, bro. So I really like this one. So big up Cheyenne. And big up Likkleman. You know what I'm saying? Big up the whole of the team on grilling. Because this was an amazing ep. You see me? Bro, look at my shit, man. She's just going all over the place, blood. But yo, listen to me. 1, Cheyenne, I hope you're not planning to make our OnlyFans, babe. I'll be really, really disappointed if you did. No joke. 2, give Likkleman the second day without the cameras, because I want one day I'm just gonna go on Instagram and see Cheyenne and Likkleman on a vacation in like Bora Bora or something, dog. Or, you know what I'm saying? Like the Maldives or something, bro. That's what I want. And then 3, hit that like button or hit that dislike button. Jump in the comments, can reply to all the motherfucking comments. And yo, yeah man, Kogency and the Kogency react. Stand up. How about this motherfucker, man? Best. Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah.